You said cake. Stupid, Nora. You said you see microwave. You never safe. I don't think they're Fanta. With me whole cake. Ow! Stop and see me. Does this use help? Just food. You see chill microwave, Nora. See you next time my microwave. Okay, what is there with a microwave? I'm burning! Syrup, here is the seed. I just get one of Nora. You say you want to do it later. Let's see the way the cute. Shout out. Let's see what this do you feel. Yay, I can't wait to see too. I know that it's on fires. She just see you later. Here is just the stupid microwave. See you next time. Oh no, see you next. You know, here's a naughty here. See you next time.